Hi, Sugar Gliders. Welcome to Chapter 4, Lesson 4, Multiplying Mixed Numbers. There are 4 easy steps. Follow along and fill in the notes. Okay, step number 1 to multiply mixed numbers. Change mixed numbers into improper fractions. And I'm going to remind you how to do that with an example right here in the top right corner. So if I have like 3 1/2 and I want to change that into an improper fraction, remember we take the 2 times the 3 and we get 6. We add the 1 and 6 plus 1 is 7. So 3 1/2 is equal to 7/2. That's a reminder for later. Number 2, if possible, simplify first by cross-canceling. Number 3, multiply the numerators. Multiply the denominators, just like regular fractions. And then at the very end, number 4, change improper fractions back into mixed numbers. So let's take a look at 2 examples here. First example, 2 2/3 times 1 3/4. The first thing I want to do is give an estimated answer. So 2 2/3 is about 3, and 1 3/4 is about 2. So my answer should be near 6. It's going to be a little bit less than 6 since I rounded those original numbers up. So 2 2/3, I'll work this off to the side so you can see how I'm changing that into an improper fraction. 3 times 2 is 6, and 6 plus 2 is 8. So 2 2/3 is 8/3. And then the next one I'll change in my head. 1 3/4 is 7/4. Okay, now that was our first step. Our second step is, if possible, simplify by cross-canceling. And if I look, I can cancel out the 4 and the 8 because they have a common factor of 2. So 4 divided by 4 is 1, or they have a common factor of 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So step 3 is multiply the numerators. 2 times 7 is 14. Multiply the denominators. 3 times 1 is 3. And then our last step, change our improper fraction back into a mixed number. We know 14/3 is improper because the numerator is greater than the denominator. Remember, this is just a division problem. It means 14 divided by 3. So if you don't know how to do that, I'll work it off to the side for you. 14 divided by 3. 3 goes into 14 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. Subtract and you get 2. Remember, the remainder becomes the numerator and the denominator stays the same. So 14/3 is equal to 4 2/3. And if I compare this answer with my estimate, it's close. And remember, I said that estimate was a little bit larger than the actual answer. I'm going to let you try the rest of this page on your own. Go ahead and review this video again if you get stuck, and have a great rest of the evening.